Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable promotions push notifications on Temu account. So first we're going to go to the Temu app. Then next we're going to click on You Found at the middle of the app. Then next we're going to click on Settings on the top right corner. Again, once you're here, we're going to click on Notifications. So under Promotions, you're going to click on Edit. So as you can see, push notifications are turned on, so we're going to disable them. Basically, you can use this setting if you want privacy, if you don't want any notifications disturbing you. So it's basically used for silence. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.